Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz S550 4MATIC. This one's a Cellnite Gray Metallic. Underneath here's a V8 bi-turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one comes with the sports package with sports exterior and interior, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, black leather interior with a black poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, ambient lighting, warmth and comfort package with front and rear heated and cooled seats, S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a wood and leather steering wheel, push start ignition, surround view backup camera, sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for the radio, different driving functions. This S-Class has 58,031 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz S550, visit us at feldmanimports.com.